Hi guys, Olivia here. So I have an unboxing from sportshoes.com today because I plucked up the courage to send for another pair of trainers. Not my current pair because I can't find those anywhere on the internet. So I currently run in Saucony men's Ride 10, 7.5, can't find them anywhere. Can find a size 6, but clearly that's no good, but can't find them anywhere. So I should have bought them before Christmas. There was loads in my size around November, Black Friday, Christmas, before Christmas. But when I decided to buy a pair, can't find them anywhere. So I have sent for a pair of Saucony Ride ISO 2, which is the current model. And the cheapest that I found them at is sportshoes.com. I've never used sports shoes before. I've used Pro Direct Running and Sweatshop. So this is a first for me. The only downside with sportshoes.com is you have to pay $4.99 postage, and you also have to pay just under, I think it's just £2.97 to return by Hermes. Taking it all into account, these are the cheapest that I could find them last weekend on the internet for $59.99, which for the current model is really good. They're literally like nearly half price. So I've plucked up the courage to send for a different model. So we'll have to wait and see whether they suit me or not. I would have waited a couple more weeks, but the thing is, my old pair of Sauconys, which are only coming up for 2 years old, but I literally wore them, the only pair I had for a full year of running in them, and they are starting to feel really uncomfortable on my runs. And I have 2 halves back to back, so on a Saturday and Sunday I don't really want to wear the same pair of trainers for both, so that's why I've kind of not waited and gone out and bought the up-to-date model. So hey ho, so hopefully they'll be fine. I did try in my local running shop, Runners Need, to try them on, but they didn't have them in stock, so I have gone blind, and fingers crossed I do like them. Because before Christmas I did try on the women's version and they felt alright, except they annoyed me under my little toe, but that could just because they're women's and I'm used into wearing men's. So yeah, so here goes. So here are my trainers. I'm not fussed about the colour, so I went for grey. I mean, running here in East Devon in the southwest of England, they are not going to stay clean for long. Even in a small town, they are going to get muddy. So I'm not fussed about the colour. Grey, yeah, I'll do that. So we'll try those on in a minute. I also sent for a sports bra because I need another one, and it's shock absorber, and it was only £9.99 instead of probably like 30 odd pound, and I don't see any reasons why that shouldn't be fine. Nice and colourful, but no one's going to see it. And then I also sent for another pair of Capri length tights because I need a new pair, and the cheapest for £19.99 was 2XUs actually, and I have never run in 2XU tights. I have 2 pairs which I wear for recovery and which I love. They just feel really comfortable post long tough run or cycle or gym session. Well, gym session now. So yeah, I'm interested to try them on and see how they feel, because I just sent for them because they're the cheapest pair of leggings on the site of a company that I knew and trusted. Comes in the box, as it should do. So let's have a quick look at these. Just plain black with, looks like a bit reflective on the leg there, if I move it into the light, yep. And they have their usual front pocket, hidden pocket at the back, so we'll try them on and see how they go. Don't normally wear just complete plain black because I like a little bit of colour, but it was either plain black or blue or purple at the same price, which I wasn't quite sure whether I wanted to wear bright blue leggings. I don't think that might be too flattering, or I could have paid an extra £10 and had the black with the white cross, because I don't know if you can see, but that's actually a cross. So that would have been white. But no, we'll try them on and see how them go. So let's try the trainers on first.